Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. Yay! You guys, I'm always excited on camera. I don't know, but anyways, you are highly welcome. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Alice Ogechukwu, a Nigerian Port Harcourt based. Okay, I film about food, faith, lifestyle. You're welcome. Feel free. Okay, you're highly welcome. So you guys, I must confess, that this Vlogmas thing, there is a change of plan, because juggling, making videos on daily basis and being my first time as well, it's quite a lot for me, because yesterday was first and I couldn't even finish uploading that simple video I did and uploaded that yesterday. This being that juggling work and school, and then the skill I'm learning online, and then YouTube. It's a lot of work. It's quite a lot of work for me to handle. So we'll be doing this Vlogmas every alternate day. How do you see it? Just let me know what you think, okay? Or if I make videos on a daily basis, will you welcome that? That's another thing. Anyways, I'm just thinking to do it on alternate days. So you guys, I just got back now, hence the glams up and the wig and the makeups and all. Okay, I just got back now and I'm in the kitchen already. I want to make a stew now. I want to make just a small stew and rice, maybe some plantains as well. That is what I will be doing now. We will be prepping the ingredients together. You guys, there is no light and the weather is flipping hot. Like, these people have refused to bring lights for us. Oh my gosh, there's no light. Anyways, we'll be prepping the ingredients and then maybe they'll bring lights along the line so I can blend my tomatoes. If not, I'll be forced to start owning gens and the noise and all, because it is hot. You guys, it is quite hot here in Port Harcourt. Like, it's flipping hot. As at now, it is 29 degrees Celsius. Anyways, we'll just go ahead and prep the ingredients. As this vlog progresses, just sit back and relax and enjoy the vlog. Okay, anyways guys, let's just go ahead and start prepping. Yeah, I'll remove this, okay, and change into something more comfortable. Yes, and then we will be doing our cooking. Okay, cook with me video. So guys, these are the things that I bought. This is tomatoes. You guys see this tomato? This is pepper, scotch bonnet. This is the tashi. I'm using the tashi as well, and then pepper. I like spices too, so I'll be adding a lot. Yep, keeping this one.
Which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil. He snaps me straight in the temple.
replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. Oh,
You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You would never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You would never see me coming.
Grinding it to a smooth paste. Okay. All right, give me a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys a lot. Thank you for constant support. Thank you guys for watching, for subscribing, for sharing. I love you guys. Mwah.